Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your SouthWest credit card account from the Chase platform itself. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your SouthWest credit card account from Chase, open up your preferred browser on your computer, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in SouthWest credit card login like this on the Google itself and hit enter, or you can just simply open the chase.com itself and we will navigate to the login page of SouthWest credit cards from the Chase's home page. But on the Google you can see the SouthWest account manage direct link available over here. Click over there, and over here from the home page of the Chase itself we have to click on the credit cards, and after that personal credit cards. Now we'll need to scroll down a little bit and you can see the SouthWest Rapid Rewards over here. Click on either one of these three and you can see the sign in to apply faster. If you have a Chase account already, and if you want to apply for a SouthWest Rapid Rewards Plus, you can just click on sign in to apply faster. But if you want to apply as a guest, you can apply as a guest from over here on the left panel of the home page. From the left panel of the site, now to log into your SouthWest credit card account, you can see the sign in option available over here on the top right corner. Click over there, and after that you can see when after the loading page this dialog box has opened, and you can see sign in to browse offer selected for you based on your relationship with Chase. And now you'll be required to enter your SouthWest credit card login username, password, and then click on sign in to log into your SouthWest credit card account. Or if you have forgotten your username or password, simply click on forgotten username/password to retrieve either of those depending upon which one you lost. Or if you have not yet signed up for a SouthWest credit card account from Chase, you can see the sign up now option available over here. Click over there and you'll be taken to the procedure where you can sign up for SouthWest credit card account. And there guys, this is how you log into your SouthWest credit card account from Chase. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.